Hey everyone, welcome to another TLC success story interview. And in today's session with us, we have Shweta ji from Bangalore. So first of all, very warm welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this success story platform and taking my interview. Lots of gratitude to you as well and being a TLC ambassador. And my real gratitude to Guru Murali and Sudhir Kolam and my very wonderful Guru Mithali ji.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your heartwarming comments. So in today's success story interview, we'll be hearing from her about her success story, about her experience with TLC. So the first question, ma'am, that I would like to ask you is about, so when you did join TLC and, what currently, which level you are in?
I joined the TLC in the month of May and currently I'm in level 2. Recently completed my teacher niche blueprint again and again. I'm just watching those video lectures so that I'm getting very much clarity every time I watch, and it is becoming a new dimension of it. And it's really wonderful experience. And every Wednesday meeting, I just explore myself and introspect myself to become the better version of myself.
Wow. Amazing, ma'am. Amazing. So, yeah.
After joining this TLC, I undergone this life mastery program given by Mithali ji and signature. I'm able to create my own success signature also. Wow. So every day I'm practicing minimum 100 times whatever my guru has told to achieve 100% result and to lead my life 100% fullest and to give this universe the best of myself.
Amazing, ma'am. Amazing transformation. So anything, the experience that you want to share with TLC, like you joined from May, so how it helped you in your any technological skills, coaching skills, or training skills, or the monetary value that it might help you in gaining a lot of monetary value. So anything that you want to share?
Yeah. In terms of, I would speak in terms of goal-oriented approach. See, everybody work towards money goals, business goals, spirituality goals, health goals, all these goals. In terms of money, in a span of 28 days, I am able to attract and take a net worth of 1 lakh. It is an abundance wealth. And happily I'm telling, and I would like to thank each and every person who is responsible for that journey, and the clients who's trusting me simply like that. And today I had a session called Women Empowerment Training to become Atmanirbhar. In that training, one of my candidates told me, her husband, including her husband, told me that अगर श्वेता मैम के साथ जाएंगे तो हिमालय भी जा सकते हैं. That was the feedback and comment I received. I really love to share that with you because this is a true inspiration for many people who's joining TLC, and it is like giving light to many people who are in darkness. So it is a wonderful journey. I would recommend for all the friends who are aspiring teachers or aspiring coaches. And earlier I was into MNC and I was not satisfied with my journey of life. But when I came to this training industry, education industry, I'm really satisfied by impacting many students at, up to 15 years of age children. And also I'm teaching the teachers to become Montessori teachers so that they will help the fresh souls which are coming to them in a best way so that they become the wonderful citizens of this nation.
Wow. Amazing mission, ma'am. Amazing mission. And thank you so much for sharing that, because I think we all have, our journey, our mess, and how we can convert that mess into a message. And now you're, serving the society, serving the women out there.
Good that you told this. And always I'll be resonating this message, mess and age. As the age advances, our mess should become a wonderful message so that others do not do that mistake. And they will be very good in their life and enjoy their life, and they will be authentic in their life and become a lifelong learner.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time, and it was really wonderful hearing your journey so far with TLC and how TLC has benefited you in your monetary terms, in your, or the impact or the trust that you have with your clients or the students that you are teaching. So it's a wonderful mission that you are in, and I'm wishing you all the very best for your mission going forward.
Yeah, wish you also best of luck and let God be with you. Stay blessed. And I'll just pray for everybody in the TLC team. Let them come out successful in all the endeavors they do in their journey of life.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your overwhelming comment. So that's it from today's interview, guys. I hope you must have enjoyed it. So until the next time, keep learning and keep inspiring. Bye-bye.
Thank you.